Hello, this presentation is related to a project published in GitHub which discuss a model of a smart traffic light control system. Its GitHub URL is given in this presentation. Let me start up the application which runs in this laptop. Okay, while it is getting up, let me briefly explain you the model of this project. For this model, I have taken 4-lane intersection, and this lane traffic is detected by this sensor over here, and this lane traffic is detected by this sensor. And there's another sensor is installed here. This is to detect traffic along this road, especially when there is a congestion occurs. There will be a long queue here. So when such traffic happens, system will increase the time allocated for this lane. And this lane traffic is detected by webcam, and this webcam will detect traffic along this lane. Let me put a vehicle to this lane. Okay, you can see two webcams have opened up in the running laptop, and there is a red square, that is the area of interest. That means if a vehicle is moved into that area, system will pick that up as a traffic. You can see the green square. Even if I move this vehicle, you can see that is moving. Okay, that is how the webcam works. And let me show you how the sensor works here. If I move the vehicle to the sensor area, this lane, I will remove this one. You can see that it got the green light, and if I move like that, if I take it out, right. Okay, let me put vehicles to each lane. Each lane is given maximum of 8 seconds. I also forgot to mention you that these traffic lights here and the sensors are connected to this Arduino board here, right. This Arduino board is connected to this laptop to its serial port here. Actually, this lane is considered to be a less traffic lane, right? So if any it is processed, this lane is processed once in a 2 cycle. That is how it is. This system has been configured. Let me move a vehicle to this to make this as a very congestion, to be a congested road now. As you can see, it will get more than 8 seconds because there is a big queue here now. This train will get more than 8 seconds So that's all I have to show you. I hope you enjoyed. Please visit GitHub to learn more about this project. Thank you very much for watching.